Good evening, ABR Market Watch viewers. Today's market story unfolded with a significant twist as the Indian government proposed reforms to the Goods and Services Tax (GST) regime. This move, designed to reduce costs for essentials and electronics from October, sparked a rally in local equities, pushing the BSE Sensex and NSE Nifty indices up by 0.84% and 1%, respectively. However, a hint of apprehension was felt in bond markets as concerns over potential fiscal strain due to proposed tax cuts lingered, causing the 10-year bond yield to rise slightly. The equity rally, coupled with the weakening US dollar, bolstered the Indian rupee, which gained 0.23%. Despite this, forward premiums and volatility remained stable following the Trump-Putin meeting. Overnight index swaps rose slightly, with the 1-year rate up 2 basis points and the 5-year rate increasing by 4 bps. The overnight call money rate stood at 5%, while the overnight TREPS rate was at 5.26%. Monday saw Indian shares surge by approximately 1%, propelled by these GST reforms, expected to stimulate domestic consumption amidst escalating US tariffs threats. The reforms include a two-rate structure of 5% and 18%, replacing the current 12% and 28%. This could potentially boost demand, with policy stimulus of 0.7 to 0.8% of GDP to households. Key sectors such as autos, consumer goods, and durables saw significant gains. Auto stocks like Maruti Suzuki and Hero MotoCorp led the charge, with these changes seen as a positive for these sectors. The reforms could potentially boost consumption, serving as a shield against external tariff risks. Lower oil prices, following the US-Russia President meeting, also contributed to the benchmark's rise. The reforms are expected to have ripples in related sectors like consumer financiers and cement makers, providing a broader boost for consumption-driven stocks. In essence, these GST reforms aim to stimulate consumption and protect the economy from external risks. Despite some fiscal concerns, the markets remain optimistic about the proposed changes, hinting at a potential positive impact on consumer spending in the near future. As always, stay tuned to ABR Market Watch for the latest market updates and insights. Good night, and we'll see you tomorrow.